Hi, in the next video, we introduce Fish and Chips, an easy and powerful shipping cost plugin for WooCommerce, based on a conditional table rate. With Fish and Chips, you can easily fit exactly the shipping cost, growing your sales and avoiding losses, or setting your cost as your marketing plan demands. Now we will see a basic example, and in the second part of this video we will see the amazing advanced features that covers virtually any calculation need. After plugin activation, we should go to WooCommerce Shipping Zones configuration. We can also access clicking the wizard button. For our example, we will work inside Europe. We add Fish and Chips shipping method. And then we can start the addition. Fish and Chip is a shipping cost system based on a rule table rate. For every rule, we can choose between 15 different selection criteria. The rule cost will be applicable if the selection criteria is met. The weight, size and price unit are set on the WooCommerce configuration. In our example, we will work with pounds, inches and dollars. Let's suppose we won't rate any cart below 4 pounds weight with $5, regardless how many products we have in it. And we also want the carts with weight 4 pounds or more have a $10 rate. For it, we will create a second rule. Now we need to group all the products as one. That means that Fish and Chips will compare the whole cart weight with the 4 pounds weight value. Done! Save and let's see how it works. We add a trousers that weighs 2 pounds. And 2 shirts with weight half pound each. In total, 3 pounds. Now let's go to the cart page and see the shipping costs. With a weight below 4 pounds, we have the $5 of the first rule. And what happens if we add a second trousers? The cart exceeds the 4 pounds weight, so the second rule is met and the shipping cost changed to $10. That was the basic example. Are you ready to see the amazing features of Fish and Chips? What makes really unique Fish and Chips and gives infinite possibilities is the ability to combine as many conditions you need on every rule, plus a great amount of criteria, all combinable. Price, weight, volume, quantity, size, category, product tag or shipping class criteria. A flexible cost system that would be calculated if the rule criteria is met. Add-ons per product quantity, per product weight, per groups, per percentage of prices products or composite, all together. And special actions will be executed only if the rule criteria is met, in the same way as the cost does. Abort shipping actions, modify the flow of rules analysis, change cost calculation and add messages for the customers in different places. Returning to our example, let's imagine that we need that carts with more than 4 pounds weight and more than a certain volume, let's say 2000 cubic inches, should cost $15 instead of $10, plus a 1% over the price products. To the second rule, we will add a second condition: volume below 2000 cubic inches. And we will add a third rule, duplicating the second one to save some steps. From 4 pound weight and 2000 cubic inches of volume, we will set $15 cost plus 1% extra. Through special action, we will add a comment which will appear on the top of the cart page. and an auxiliary text to the shipping method. We save it and let's see how it works. Now, when we have only one pants, we have the $5 of the first rule. We add a second pants, and we have the $10 of the second rule. With the third pants, the card exceeds the volume, and the special action will be triggered. It appears the message on the top. The cost is $15 plus 1% because of the third rule, and the auxiliary message will be written down on the shipping method. Here ends the second example of usage of fish and chips, but there is much more. Fish and Chips comes with a contextual help full of examples. A log system that helps to debug the calculations. And it's compatible with the main multi-currency systems. There is a free version on the WordPress repository and a professional one on our website. Thank you for your attention.